as much as possible, I would discourage everybody to buy pre-built. Totoo lang. It's better to buy computers na mayroong mga standard na sizes o standard size na mga parts tulad na namang ng motherboard, ng graphics card, lalong-lalo na power supply. Or kung bibili kayo ng pre-built, make sure na yung pre-built ninyo are using standard size na mga parts. Para iwas tayo dun sa complications kung sakaling kinakailangan natin magpalit ng ating mga uni o mga parts in the future. So iwas sakit ng ulo. Okay? So that was with regards to the question o sa tanong ni JF Areglado. Thank you very much for your question.